Governor Soludo has emphasized the need for Igbo and Anambra in particular to reinvent the true Igbo and Anambra spirits, which are hard work, excellence, and diligence. The governor made the call at the first Iriji Anambra held at Dr. Alexa Kweme Square Oka. ABS Government House correspondent Valentine Mbaduga now completes the report.
The event featured procession by each local government with their unique culture, music, masquerade, and attracted traditional rulers from various communities, presidents general, government functionaries, Anambra artists, among many other groups. Governor Soludo, while addressing the gathering, emphasized that culture is a representation of the people's way of life, adding that Anambra and Igbo are not known for rascality and criminality. He pointed out the importance of agriculture to the growth of the society and encouraged Indian Anambra to take agriculture seriously.
A celebration of the hard work over the entire year. Now the time of harvest that we then celebrate our hard work. So a core value of Igbos is hard work. And developed by our hard work, integrity and compassion. We will soon be empowering people with several palliatives. Currently, about 59,000 of our pensioners and civil servants have been receiving some, if you like, salary augmentation. That's all part of it.
The chairman, Anambra State Traditional Rulers Council and Obi of Onitsha, Igwe Alfred Achebe, in his remarks said that culture is not domiciled only in music, masquerade, but also in attitude and character, noting that Igbo are known for hard work and commitment to development and growth of the society. Igwe Achebe advised that people should always engage in activities that will promote peace, unity, and progress of Anambra State. The State Commissioner for Culture, Tourism and Entertainment, Comrade Don Onyenji, who said that the celebration was to unify Iriji Festival in Anambra State, noted that subsequent celebrations will be greater. For the Transition Committee Chairman of Nnewi North Local Government Area, Engineer Chris Obiora, and his Idemili South counterpart, Mrs. Amako Obi, the celebration is quite thoughtful and will encourage inter-community and local government relationship. They appreciated Governor Soludo for the initiative, pointing out that the governor has remained focused on achieving peaceful and progressive Anambra State. The wife of the governor, Dr. Mrs. Nonye Soludo, the Speaker, Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Somtochukwu Deze, and other members of the House of Assembly attended the event. Masquerade performance, cultural displays, wrestling and cultural dances climaxed the occasion.